Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a really simple way how you can mute everyone in GoToMeeting. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in GoToMeeting, how it's called, dashboard or like program, and then click on all the people here. And here you're gonna see mute all. And when you're gonna click on it, you can see like there's this blue, I don't know how this is called. This is not square. Like, English is not my first language, so but there is like this background, the blue background. And to unmute all, just click unmute all and voila. So again, mute all and you got it. So yeah, thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you, and have a great day and goodbye.